Hey friends, if you wish to check if your user account has admin rights in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So there are many procedures, but I'll stick to one because I always share the easiest one. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. In the settings menu, go to the accounts tab on the list on the left hand side and check the word administrator below the account that you're logged into. Does it say administrator? If yes, then you have admin rights. If not, then you can go to your info and then check it here. This will surely give you an insight. Okay, and even if you are logged in with a local account, it may say administrator if you're logged in as an administrator, and if not, then right click on the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your computer and log in using another account which has administrator rights. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.